Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn qualitative risk assessment in a simple, visual way. Qualitative risk assessment is a way to judge how dangerous a problem is without using exact numbers. Instead, we use simple labels like low, medium, or high. We evaluate two ideas, likelihood and impact. Likelihood asks how likely the problem is to happen. Impact asks how much trouble it would cause. Step 1 is assigning values. We use a scale from 1 to 3. 1 means low, 2 means medium, and 3 means high. We do this for both likelihood and impact. Step 2 is the risk formula. Even though this is qualitative, we use a simple multiplication rule. Risk score equals likelihood times impact. Step 3 is using a risk matrix. We place likelihood on the left and impact across the top. Each cell shows the risk score, so we can quickly see which risks are high. Step 4 is an example. Imagine your bike tire might get a flat. You ride on a road with many thorns, so the likelihood is high. That means L equals 3. The impact is low because you only walk for 5 minutes. That means I equals 1. Now multiply. Risk score equals 3 times 1, which is 3. In the matrix, this lands in the low risk zone. Step 5 is prioritizing. Scores 1 to 2 are low risk, and we just monitor them. Scores 3 to 4 are medium risk, and we try to reduce them. Scores 6 to 9 are high risk and need immediate action. And that is qualitative risk assessment. We use simple labels, a basic formula, and a risk matrix to decide what needs attention first.